Today, President Trump met with Iowa's governor and had a group of essential workers he called true American heroes in the fight against COVID-19. The president also announced his plans to grow his coronavirus task force soon. Natalie Brand is at the White House with more.
President Trump honored a key group of frontline health workers, signing a National Nurses Day proclamation. The president also addressed his decision to reverse course on winding down his coronavirus task force, instead announcing he'll be bringing in additional people.
We're going to be announcing some very good names. Now, in this case, we want professional names that can help us, not just names where we put it on for the status of the task force. We don't need status. We need results.
Meanwhile, federal vaccine expert Dr. Rick Bright has filed an extensive whistleblower complaint, claiming he tried to raise alarms about the pandemic back in January and was ignored. Bright also says he was demoted after he resisted pressure to widely promote hydroxychloroquine, the anti-malaria drug that President Trump has touted as a treatment for COVID-19.
I never met him. I know nothing about him, but he's a disgruntled guy.
Bright is scheduled to testify next week in front of a House panel. Wednesday, a House committee held a hearing on the federal coronavirus response. Both Democratic and Republican members expressed a desire to hear from Dr. Anthony Fauci, but the White House blocked him from testifying in the House. Former CDC director for the Obama administration, Dr. Tom Frieden, was among those who testified and issued this warning.
Until we have an effective vaccine, and unless something very unexpected happens, our viral enemy will be with us for many months and possibly many years.
Meanwhile, airline experts faced a Senate panel as the industry is reportedly losing $10 billion a month.
Passenger volumes declined to levels that we have not seen since the 1950s. It's almost surreal, and it is painful.
The Trump administration and several major U.S. air carriers reached a deal last month on a $25 billion bailout package. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
Now, the president told reporters that Dr. Anthony Fauci's role on the task force will remain the same.